Hey guys, Hasib here and welcome to this video. This is another GoHighLevel landing page review. So I'm going to talk about this junk removal landing page that we have, and I'm going to talk about all the elements that we used in this page. I'm going to talk about the sections, the columns, and every single thing that this page has. Also, I'm going to talk about the conversion rate optimization principles, the layout, the design, also mobile responsiveness. So if you have a junk removal business, you can either buy this landing page from landingpages.myleadbuster.com, link in description, or if you want to build it yourself, let's talk about the page so you can get some idea of how an ideal junk removal landing page should be created. So let's start talking about the header section. This has a logo. Obviously, it's a custom value because if you buy it, all you need to do is just update the custom values and all the data will be populated. This is also a custom value. As you see, I always like using custom values on my pages, so I have to do minimal work on the page itself. So followed by the hero section, or what we call top fold. It has two columns, the left column having an image, which can be your company car or the guys at the project, or any before after projects that you've done. It's a really good place to show that kind of image, right? The right column only has an offer, the call out headline, followed by a few more information like what you do, where you do it, and the call to action, which is really important. So that's the top fold. It's really simple and really efficient at the same time. I mean, it's one of my favorite landing pages we've built so far. I mean, I'm just being honest, because it's efficient and really simple. It doesn't have any fancy element to it. So the next section is about some images and a really good headline, which will haul away any kind of junk. So you need to do this type of stuff rather than doing like junk removal New Jersey, junk removal. It's good to have that, but you need to connect with your audience rather than connect with the ads. So your first priority should be audience rather than stuffing the keywords in the headlines. You need to talk to your audience through your text. And then we have a few images. These should be obviously authentic. Don't use stock images. And then we have a content section that is feeding all the information that someone needs when they're actively looking for junk removal service. So what they need to know is how to contact you, what you do, maybe some pricing information, but it's not a very good idea to share pricing information on the very top of the funnel. This is the very top of the funnel. So, and you definitely need to mention the service areas, maybe highlight it, but right now we're only highlighting the headline, not the areas themselves. So the ending is a footer that obviously has the get a quote button. And if you're thinking about where the form or the survey is, it's in the pop-up. So if you click on the button, it will take you to the pop-up, which is a basic pop-up like this. This has a form. So that's what you need to do. And then if you look into the mobile version, it's more efficient, it's more responsive, it doesn't have any clunky element. And if we just look at the actual preview, this is the builder preview. Let's start looking into the actual preview. This is what it looks like. As you can see, the custom values have populated properly. If you click on the button, it takes you to the the form, and it obviously calls from this button, and it opens the pop-up. So if we look into the mobile version, we just need to inspect it. Okay, so that's what it looks like on mobile. The header is even shorter because the phone option is sticky on the bottom, and I'll show you how I did it. And this is what it looks like on mobile, pretty much like what we saw in the builder. So going back to the builder, going back to the mobile design. So this is an element, this is a section really, that has a button to it. And this section, what I've done is I have gone to sticky option and I have selected stick to bottom on scroll. So whenever you scroll it, wherever you are, no matter wherever you are on the mobile version, you'll always find the call option at the very bottom. So that's really good to have when you're targeting mobile traffic. And we know 90% of our traffic will come from mobile devices. So that's basically the home page. Sorry, that's basically the landing page. And when you submit the form, it goes to the thank you page so you can track your conversions. Again, if you want to buy it, you can do it from landingpages.myleadbuster.com, link in description. And that's pretty much it for this page. I will definitely see you in the next one.